Okay, we have a Haas compact mill 5-axis machining center, model CM1. It has a Haas TRT70 trunnion table. Serial number of the machine is 1150139. This machine was new in 2018 and it is running. Machine has a Haas next gen control. Again, it's 5-axis with 5-axis drives. Machine is running at 7,000 RPM. It goes up to 50,000 RPM. It's an ISO 20 spindle taper. You have a automatic tool changer with 20 tool capacity. That's 20,000 RPM. The machine has a 22.5 by 10-inch table. 35,000 RPM. You have 12 inches of travel X, 10 of Y, 14 of Z. And then you have the trunnion table. We're doing a tool change, or milling a tool change. Doing another. Machine also has whips, wireless intuitive probing system with the probe and the tool setter. He's moving the Z axis. Your Y. Your X. The trunnion, which is A? Yeah, that's A, and then we're going to, and the tilt, and then now we're going to be rotating the trunnion, yep, the B. So those are the 5-axis. You've seen the spindle run, you've seen it do a tool change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.